Hi family, I'm here at the Salvation Army thrift store in Red Bluff, California, and I just wanted to show you some of the great fashions that they have on display. Getting ready for Rodeo week, coming right up. Really made a nice effort to have a lot of Western style jeans for people, as well as Western shirts. Wide variety of colors. And they have some cowboy boots. Let me just show you the signs. Again, the Red Bluff Salvation Army. This cute wagon. It says Ghirardelli Chocolate Company. So yeah, Rodeo Week's always an exciting time around Red Bluff and Shasta and Tehama counties. Let me just show you these nice belt buckles. Showcase some very nice things today. Even more belt buckles back here. Hope you can see those good. Like that. So yeah. This fox. Probably see it better this way. That's definitely unusual. That's a nice Western style joint. If you're in this area of Northern California, this is always a great place to stop. The prices are very fair. Pretty necklace. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.